top of that hillock. Oh my goodness, so good. So good. Hello boys, what's up? So I'm back with on the ride today. Today the plan is to go Chandrampalli Dam. Chandrampalli Dam is somewhere in Karnataka, I mean Hyderabad, Karnataka, the nearby. It is in Kalburga district, I guess. And yeah, so there are a couple of waterfalls as well near the place. Kusrampalli waterfall, I guess, yeah, Kusrampalli. Another one is some other waterfall. I don't know, I can cover both the waterfalls, but at least. So let's go to Chandrampalli Dam first. Yeah, and then see based on the time available. So we can cover one of those waterfalls as well. Okay, so today is Saturday, 13th August. I started my place at 6:30 a.m. and it's around 140 kilometers from my place, and it may take 3 to 3.5 hours. If I have breakfast, maybe 3.5 hours to 4 hours. Okay, somewhere near Zahirabad we need to take a left turn and go further, maybe 30 minutes, 30 kilometers, and then we can find these two places, one after the other. Comparatively, first few years, city expanded a lot in this particular area towards Mumbai highway. Earlier we used to see this traffic only to Miyapur, Chandanagar, somewhere near Patancheru, and then the highway used to be so clear, but now it's expanded and the traffic you can still see till Sangareddy. The roads are so good so far, absolutely fine. I was expecting because of this monsoon, some continuous rains, there would be some damage, but roads are so good. Munipalli, wow, look at this, a beautiful landscape. Maybe we can check if they have coffee here. Hey, coffee unda? Coffee. So let's take a coffee break here. क्या नाम है आपका शुभ नाम? सैयद आदम अली सैयद आदम अली। ओके, ये उगड़मपल्ली किधर जाना है भाई? इधर से जाना है। इधर से राइट? कितना दूर लगेगा? 16 किलोमीटर। ओके। before we reached to Chandrampalli village somewhere, I stopped and I found this place is very interesting. See, super good views from here. Oh my goodness, see. Wow, this forest. Amazing, amazing landscape here. Reached another 5 minutes to reach the destination. Center stretch is so good, even if you're coming with your family in a car, so you can stop somewhere on the way and you can chill out for some time. Have your lunch, your snacks. Okay, we need to stop the vehicles here. So just park my bike over there, and then to reach dam, we need to walk a bit. Maybe half a kilometer, I'm not sure, but let's check out. That's all at Chandrampalli Dam. We are back. Now let's head towards Kusrampalli waterfall. Hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll catch you guys soon in another video. And it's time to wrap here. See you in another video. Bye bye.